Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax in Greenville. I'm going to take you on a video tour of our 2020 SX210. This boat's equipped with the 4.3 Connect touchscreen display with Bluetooth capability. This boat is the dual engine twin TR1 high output marine engines. It has a seating capacity of 10. This boat is a wonderful boat for your family and for water sports and cruising around the lake. It's equipped with the table attachment here in the back of the boat and these seating backrests to hang out and sit on. So walking through the boat, it has a very nice step through. Has the snap-in C-grade carpet, the dual captain chairs. There's the display cockpit there and the infinity stereo. Dash here, air dam door, shut right here. Lots of space here for your ski locker. Great front seating. It's got the wide bow, so lots of space up front in this boat. Has a nice step here to step on out and over the top, and it has a nice ski locker or anchor locker storage. This is a wonderful boat, all around great boat for the lake, for family and friends to have a great day on the lake. Come and check out this 2020 SX Yamaha 210 at MarineMax in Greenville.com, or check us out at the store, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.